If you are here a little bit, you may have seen me making a lot of candles, but today we are not making candles. We are making soap. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Roberta, owner of Águas Claras Organics, and today we are making soap. We are making what I like to call baby goat soap, which is made with goat's milk. So let's get started. I'm going to put my hair up and hairnet. Okay, hairnet on. Goat's milk soap is very gentle on the skin. It's very nice for sensitive skin. This is an intermediate formula. I'm working with milk and 50-50 lye solution. This formula will be available in my Patreon. This formula is the formula that I use for my business. So if you're interested, you can check it out. And over here I have olive oil, organic coconut milk, sunflower oil, organic shea butter, castor oil. And also I use a little bit of sodium lactate just to help with the hardness. My oils, my butters, my hard oils are already melted over here. Then here ready to go. Today I'm working with lavender essential oil, and I'm going to use now kaolin clay, and it helps to anchor the scent of the essential oil. And all the equipments, everything that I'm using, I'm going to leave linked down below. I'm going to get prepared with my safety gear. As you may notice, this formula doesn't have palm oil, and I like to pour my milk right directed to my oils and butters. And gently I mix everything. I'm going to mix one more time here my kaolin clay in my essential oil, which is lavender. I'm using today is going to be very calming. In this stage I like to use my blender to mix everything before pouring my lye solution. It's already a beautiful off-white color. I like to leave my blender here, just disconnected here to make easier. So I have here my lye solution. I leave prepared beforehand. Now I'm going to connect here my blender so we can start mixing. And I like to use another spoon here by my side, just to feel how thick the batter is, and I keep mixing like this. For me it works, like I feel the batter keeps fluid, so that's why I always have this big spoon by my side, mixing all the time my batter, and I feel how thick the batter is, how thick is the trace. As I'm working with lavender essential oil, I feel the batter keeps very fluid. So let's get started. All right, it doesn't have a lot of trace, but it looks pretty good to me. I'm going to pour in a mold. Now the soap is poured in a mold. I'm going to start to do a simple design. It's my signature design that I like to do. And today I'm not using any botanicals. I just like to be very simple, this soap, to let the beautiful ingredients shine through. I'm going to wait for 18-24 hours, and then we are going to unmold the soap and cut. So I'll see you then. All right, this is the next day, and it's time to cut our soap. It smells so good in here. And all the materials, the equipment I'm using, like I said before, I'm going to leave linked down below. This mold, I got it from Brambleberry. I really like this mold. It makes so much easier. The thing is, you have to get the wooden mold separate from the liner, silicone liner, which is kind of a bump. And I think they do that because sometimes people like to just line the mold with freezer paper, but I much rather use the silicone liner. It makes our life so much easier. So you can see it's coming out very easily. For this mold, Maxi has almost the same measurements, and you can use my coupon code Aguas10 and you get 10% off. And for this part, I'm going to use my goggles just because this part I want to protect my eyeball. If any of this wire come out broke, my eyeballs are protected. And I'm just tying it up a little bit. I am missing one here. I fixed it too about 2 months ago, and I don't know how that happened. I lost one pin that was here to hold. I don't know how that happened because I'm very careful with my equipment, and I lost it. Now my husband will fix it for me. So let me get here in the middle. It's pretty simple. It's just one color. So here it is. And I like to have like a board like this to move my soaps around. It makes so much easier. Goat's milk is very soothing on the skin. Very nice for gentle shower, and it smells so good over here. Just like the simplicity. All right, let's cut another piece. Let's get a piece in the middle. I just love how simple this bar is. I love all the ingredients together. I love goat's milk soap, and it feels really nice and smooth on my skin and gentle. And now this soap is going to cure for 4 to 6 weeks, and it will be ready and stocked at our shop after that. Now we are sold out. If you are interested in this formula, you can find in my Patreon along with all the steps. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. God bless you.